Fresh kicks, lemonade, no plans, just play. Good times, great day. One look, one pack, Faro on my back. Trail time, beach day, ready either way. From the gym to the sand, from the road to the land. When the day moves fast.
Welcome, wanderers. We are going to be reviewing the BAGSMART 40-liter roller duffel. Let's just start with how cute this is. I am just obsessed with the color. Everyone knows you go to the airport, you look at the carousel, and every suitcase is black, 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 and they all look about the same. So I am loving the teal color with the pops of coral. It's gonna make identifying my bag super easy. Even if you don't check your bag, this is carry-on size. Sometimes you get on the little tiny plane and they're like, nope, everyone has to check their bag. So even if you weren't planning to, sometimes you're forced to. So this is great. Plus, it's just fun to be cute at the airport. So let's get into it. This bag has a couple handles on the front, has another handle here, and has a handle on this side. And you might be saying, what's with all the handles? Well, if you're like me, it can be a little harder to get your suitcase up in the overhead compartment. So having these extra handles to like grab and put it up and or take it back down from the overhead, super, super handy. Also, if you're throwing it into a car, right? You're throwing it in the back of the Uber as you're headed to the airport, having these handles, very handy because you don't want to pick it up by the roller handle, right? That's not what that's designed for. So let's get into it. The outside of this is definitely water resistant. Bonus points. Sometimes it's raining. Sometimes you are in an environment that's wet. Maybe you're on a cruise. Ooh. Also on the front, you're gonna see there's some extra loops here. You can hook gear onto the front. Maybe you can clip an umbrella on the front, your sun hat, hand sanitizer, a little sunscreen, a bug spray, you name it, you can clip it on the front, which is super handy. We also have a couple small pockets, which I really like. This little pocket here, you got your earbuds. Take them out, you put them in that tiny little case, which is forever getting lost. Throw them in this little pocket. So then when you get to your gate at the airport, you can whip them out, listen to some music, watch some videos, whatever it might be. Got a little pocket on this side, slightly deeper than the other one. You could put your passport or your phone as you're trying to get everything out of your pockets to go through security at the TSA checkpoint. It's great to have these quick little pockets that you can access. Also on the front, you're gonna notice there is this large compartment. And I have to tell you, I am loving this. It is definitely water resistant pocket, wet stuff. So what's the last thing you do before you leave the resort, right? You're trying to maximize your time on your final day. Maybe you have a 4 p.m. flight and you're like, I could spend the whole morning in the pool or at the beach. But then you have wet stuff that you've got to put in your suitcase to take home. This is the perfect spot for that. Keeps it separated from all your other clothes. So I'm living for this waterproof compartment here. We also have a couple other little hooks that you could hang more gear off of. Super, super functional. I like the little tabs on the zippers. Makes them easy to find and easy to pull. The zippers move really smoothly. I don't know if you can see this, but out here, the zippers are covered. They have this little extra cover so that they are also water resistant. They're not gonna get damaged. It also helps keep sand out of them. Nothing's worse than like, I can't get the compartment open. You do not want sand in your cracks, especially your zipper cracks. All right, let's open it up and see what we have on the inside. So on this main panel, we have a mesh compartment, which is great. I often put my toiletries, things like that, in this type of compartment. I don't know what other people do. Tell me what you do. What do you put in the mesh compartment? I always put the toiletries. We also have the separator. Loving. So it has a second mesh compartment and it comes completely out. But what I use this for is a couple things. So when I'm initially packing my bag, I'll often put day clothes on top and maybe shoes or other things under the separator just to keep that separation. But when I'm coming home, I use this to separate out my dirty clothes. Dirty stuff on the bottom, anything maybe I didn't end up using on the top, so that when I get home, I can quickly sort dirties and cleans. Also inside, we have compression straps. which is great. So you're gonna get it packed, you're gonna snap these, and you're gonna tighten them down so you can maximize your space. This actually is a really deep bag. I'm super impressed. I personally could probably do 5 to 7 days worth of clothes in this bag. The big factor would be shoes. How many pairs of shoes am I having to take? If I'm only taking 1 or 2 smaller size shoes, definitely getting 7 days worth of clothes in this bag. John, on the other hand, this is maybe a 2 to 3 day bagger. Very sturdy handle at the bottom, so you could pick it up this way. Really smooth telescoping handle, adjusts up. Love that. Wheels. Loving that. And I love that it opens on the top. You're laying it down flat and you're accessing the bag like this. You're not having to have a ton of room where it clamshells open. So in a tight space, this bag, super functional. All right, let's get into packing. The other thing that we got from BAGSMART to go with our roller bag are these packing cubes. If you have not gotten on the packing cube train, buy a ticket, get on, take the ride. You're gonna love it. We got a 6 cube set. So we have 2 of these kind of long rectangular ones. We have 2 of these really long bag shapes. We have 1 kind of dirty clothes bag, and then 1 wider cube. This is gonna help you maximize how much you can get in here, right? You're rolling your clothes. So you could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, easily 6 t-shirts in this bag, maybe more. Socks, underwear, shorts, all of the things are going in this bag so that we can maximize our space in this suitcase. All right, let's get into packing this up. So as I said, we got one of these little bags, which is great for shoes. No one wants their shoes touching their clean clothes. We all know where our shoes have been. I could actually put probably 2 or 3 pairs of shoes into this bag. I'm not taking that many shoes. This is a quick trip for me. So I'm just gonna do a quick little zip. Now that's protected. I don't have to worry about what goes around these shoes and do that little game. Let's get this cube packed up. I'm gonna roll my shirts, which is the trick. We're gonna get this filled up with t-shirts. All right, I got 8 shirts in this bag. I would just like to point out, which is amazing. So now the trick is that you compress them, right? I zipped this up and that was so easy. I didn't have to squish on it. I didn't have to sit on it. This is 8 days worth of shirts in this one little packing cube. Takes up so little space. One of the interesting features of this bag is that once you get it completely unpacked, we can take this out, we can unzip the lining, and you'll see there's a little frame right inside that pops out and can lay flat like this, and it allows this end and the whole bag to fold up flat so that you can store it away in a closet, underneath a bed, or anything like that. But when you want to use it, you put the frame in and it holds this bottom piece up. It creates the sides for the bag. I'm gonna do socks and underwear in this. I'm gonna throw some shorts and some jeans in this one. We're off to the airport. We're gonna have a great trip. Let's see how she does through the airport. I've got her all packed up. We have these great little clips that we can do on each side. Couple things this is gonna do. I can cinch it down so it takes up less space in the overhead, right? It also lets me expand if I have more stuff for a bigger trip. It has same on this side, but the other thing this is gonna do from kind of a security standpoint, see my zippers? Someone's not getting my zipper all the way around without having to unclip this. It's gonna take them more time. It's gonna be noticeable. So both functional and safety security, loving those features. We're off to the Monterey airport.
Blue sky, top down, good mood, roll out, beach road, new town, base up, no doubt, sun rays, cool shade, fresh kicks, lemonade, no plans, just play, good times, great day, one look, one pack, Faro on my back, trail time, beach day, ready either way, from the gym to the sand, from the road to the land, when the day moves fast, BAGSMART built to last, bright tones, clean style, make me move, make me smile, my gear so smart, versatile.
In addition to our FARO 40-liter roller bag, we also got the FARO 40-liter backpack. Let's just start with how beautiful this is. We have this nice pewter blue with a lighter blue on the front, some orange accents. It's just beautiful. I thought the roller bag was cute. This is even cuter. Not gonna lie. Super excited to show you all the things, all the compartments. There is so much functionality in this one backpack. Your mind is gonna be blown. Let's start with just the construction of it. We have a mesh back. Also, we have mesh on the straps. I wish you could feel it. This is so padded. It is going to make for really comfortable carrying of this backpack. This is also padded on the back. So on your back, it's not gonna feel miserable once you're into hour 3 or 4 of whatever you are doing. We have straps on top. You could slide some gear in here. I could stick an umbrella under here for easy grabbing, easy access, right? I can tie this down. I could hang things off of it. I also have a carrying handle here, super durable, this woven handle. On the front, we have straps here and here, so you could compress the bag down. If you fill it up with clothes, you could compress it down to make it smaller. I have a quick access pocket right here. I have an additional loop here I could hang gear off of. I have a handle that I can carry the backpack like this, which is nice. I'm getting on a plane, I'm getting on a train. I want to take it off my back, be able to stick it in an overhead compartment or somewhere else. There are a million little hidden pockets on this. Pocket here for quick, easy access. I have a holder right here. Water bottle, could be umbrella again, could be anything. I have the main compartment on the front, which is gonna open up like this, duffel bag style. This makes loading and unloading this bag so much easier than everything going in through the top and falling all the way down, right? I have access to everything and I can organize it really neatly. Also have a strap in here so I can hold things in place once I get it loaded, which is a feature that you get in a roller bag that you almost never get in a backpack. So really thoughtful, BAGSMART. Appreciate that. On the front here, you're gonna see this zipper pocket. This is plastic, so I can put toiletries, things that might spill, and protect the rest of my items, not have to worry about spills or leaks. And that's really important for John and I. Oftentimes when we're traveling, we're doing two things at once, right? We're going on a trip, but we're also making content, right? We have a ton of gear that we are trying to take with us wherever we go, but we're also going to have some fun, right? So I need to make sure that whatever I'm packing isn't going to damage my gear, but that I still get to take everything I need to have a good time. Also, I think one of my absolute favorite features of this bag is this compartment right here at the bottom. It's got this little bag that pushes up into here, and this is a separate shoe compartment. I'm putting shoes in here, and they are not touching what is in the main compartment of the bag. So I'm keeping everything clean, not commingling with my shoes. This is great if you are a hiker or a camper, right? You've got your hiking boots or some sneakers that got muddy. You can throw them in the bottom here and not have to worry about getting everything else in your bag a mess. So let's get to it. The other thing that I really want to remind you of are the BAGSMART packing cubes, right? I showed you how to use them in the roller bag, but you can also use them in your backpack, right? So we're headed out. We are going down to the beach. We're gonna shoot some content, but we're also going to do a bit of swimming. So I wanna get a couple swimsuits. I had my sandals. I want my cover up in here as well, but I have a lot of gear that I need to get into this backpack. So I need to, for sure, maximize my space. So I am going to shrink this down. Boom! So small, so easy. It's gonna fit right in here, and I still have room for all of my gear. My headphones in here. I'm gonna get my batteries. I'm gonna do my mics. I'm gonna do my drone, and I'm gonna get that closed up. On the back, boom, I have a laptop sleeve as well as a tablet. Maybe you have an iPad or another type of tablet. You're gonna be able to store both of them in here. I have a full-size MacBook Pro, plenty of space. Sometimes, you get these computer sleeves and they are only fitting a 13-inch computer. None of us are making content on the 13-inch computer. Also, I have these little pockets for my power and cord organization, which is usually a hot mess. If you know me and John, we kind of have things going everywhere. This is great. I can get it all in here, clean and easy, zipped up, safe. This is that padded compartment again, so I don't have to worry about my laptop getting banged around. I am packed and ready to roll. See how this feels on my back. So I have this across. I could snap. Helps with the support if you're gonna be walking, gonna be hiking. These are adjustable, which is super nice. I'm 5'2", John is 6'3". This backpack is gonna be comfortable on either of us. We don't have to worry about, well, this is Jody's backpack or this is John's backpack, because it only fits one or the other. This is fitting us both. I have to say, super comfortable. The padding on the back and the mesh is breathable. Feeling good. I feel like I could go for quite some time and not be worried. We have this compartment on the top, quick access. If you have something like earbuds or something you want to throw in here so you can grab them really easily, that is a great place for that. Also, on the back, we have another compartment, flat compartment here. You could go with another computer down in here, but safety, security, come in close. There is a secret hidden compartment here, right here. This is a perfect spot for your passport or maybe other important travel documents. We're all trying to be thoughtful and safe when we are out traveling. So doing that, right, this is gonna be on your back. So no one is gonna be able to get access to that pocket. Keep your secure stuff there. I can't wait to take this out. We're headed down to Monterey Bay today. We're gonna do some swimming. We're gonna shoot some content. Let's see how she performs. Wait, I forgot one detail, which I think you're gonna love. Right here, you can see this zipper unzips and we expand. Look how much extra space we're getting here. So if we're gonna use this in particular duffel style, I could probably get 3 to 4, maybe 5 days worth of clothes and gear in here for a trip, which I have to tell you has a lot of appeal, not to have to take a big suitcase every time you're going for a maybe half week to a week trip, right? Having something like this that you can just throw on your back and get around. We do some trips sometimes where we're hopping from city to city pretty quickly. Maybe we're using public transit to go from place to place. Having a backpack to hop on and off the subway or a train or a bus, so much easier than the roller bag, much more versatile, but having that extra space, love it. Bye.
Blue sky, top down, good mood, roll out, beach road, new town, bass up, no doubt, sun rays, cool shade, fresh kicks, lemonade, no plans, just play, good times, great day, one look, one pack, Faro on my back, trail time, beach day, ready either way, from the gym to the sand, from the road to the land, when the day moves fast, BAGSMART built to last, bright tones, clean style, make me move, make me smile, my gear so smart, versatile from the start.